after the fish, we shall pull in this zapcai on top. Wow.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a clay pot fish head. Yeah, I have a beautiful grouper fish head with me here. Later we are going to deep fry this. Yeah, coat it with some flour or cornstarch and deep fry. And then I'm going to stir fry some japchae. Yeah, mixed veggie. And we will then serve inside a clay pot by putting in the mixed veggie on top of the deep fried fish head. It really tastes very good. And let's take a look at the ingredient here. Of course, we have the fish head. As with the ingredient for the japchae, really up to you what you want to put in. To be very honest with you, today Appa is trying to clean my fridge because Appa is going to move to another house very soon. So I just take whatever I have in the fridge. I have some cabbage, tofu, this is broccoli, cauliflower, French bean, carrot, and few pieces of red chili. And of course, not forgetting, I'll be adding some few slices of ginger, some minced garlic, and of course, my Cooking Appa 100% natural premium chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, for those who are interested. All right, so let's quickly make it. So first of all, we want to prep the fish. Let's give it a bit of salt. And some white pepper. Next thing, we have some cornstarch, or you can use potato starch or whatever starch you have. Coat the fish nicely using the starch. Give it a nice thin layer. Well, there are a few purposes of coating this starch. Number one, it will actually help when you deep fry later, the fish will not actually splatter. The oil will not splatter. Secondly, it will actually provide a nice, thin, crispy crust outside. This is what I want. And you want to pat away the excessive starch. Right? So next thing, let your fish to rest for a couple of minutes while we prepare the oil. Like I mentioned earlier, this I'm going to deep fry, hence we'll need a little bit more oil. Okay, and let's bring it to at least 180 degrees Celsius. The moment when you start seeing some smokes coming out from the oil, you know that your oil is ready. So get ready your fish. Put the fish inside. As I mentioned to you earlier, it will not splatter because of the cornstarch. So the first rule after you put in the fish is don't touch it. Let it deep fry from this particular side for the next 1 to 2 minutes before you flip it over. Yeah? Right, this is after approximately 2 minutes. Let's turn the fish over. Ooh, nice. I can feel the crispiness already. So let's give this side another 2 minutes, then it is almost done. So this is after another 2 minutes. Let me flip it over to the other side. Wow. Alright, should be fully cooked by now. I'll give this another about 1 minute or 2 or 30 seconds. Then we will prepare a oil absorbing paper at the side. Raise the fish. Allow the oil to render. And then we shall put it onto the oil absorbing paper. Here's our beautiful fish. After the fish head is ready, we are going to cook the chap chai. Give it about 2 tablespoons of oil to start with. Once it is heated up, we can put in the ginger and also garlic and saute it for a minute or two. Once it started to brown a little bit, you can put in some of the veggie here, the French bean, the carrot. Let me lower down the heat before it gets chao ta. The cabbage. The rest I'll put it slightly later because the rest can get cooked very fast. Next thing, add in some water, hot water here. It's okay to have a bit more water because later we are going to starch this. Now we can actually raise the heat to medium high. I'm going to put in the tofu. The rest of the veggie I'll put in later. So we are going to start seasoning this. I'm going to put in some about 1 teaspoon of my cooking apple chicken stock powder. Two rounds of light soya sauce, 1 to 2 rounds. Some oyster sauce. Some salt. Some sugar. For those who don't mind taking alcohol, you can put in some Shaoxing wine. I'm going to let this cook for about a minute or two before I continue. We'll come back shortly. This is after approximately 3-4 minutes. Now I'm going to put in the cauliflower together with the broccoli and the chili. I'm using big chili so it will not be too spicy. Again, we will come back shortly. Oh, let's give it a few dashes of white pepper. So this is after another 2-3 minutes cooking. It's basically done. Our chap chai is ready. Now I'm going to off the heat. And add in some cornstarch. To thicken up the sauce a bit. And next thing, I'm going to pour this over to the fish head. After the fish, we shall pull in this chap chai on top. Wow, very nice. All right, I don't mind garnish my Claypot fish head with some fried garlic. All right, done. Here's my very simple Claypot fish head for you all. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.